Hello everyone. You are watching Advocate Shahina Parveen, and today I'm going to present the one law point for granting the bail of those applicant who have been detained into the prison under the sections 14 Foreigner Act 1946. What is the proviso for getting the bail for these type of the people? Many more foreign nationals, they have been detained, and in this case the punishment is also having for 5 years. But suppose if we have the proviso, under that proviso we can proceed and we can be granted the bail. Like two things are the very crucial point. One thing is there, the person, the investigation officer who has arrested the accused, he should not be less than inspector. Suppose that he is the ASI. In that case, the arrest of the particular person is unlawful. On that ground, he should be granted the bail. And another point is there that only FRO has been empowered to regularize or maintain the detail of the visa. There will be no NOC cases, there will be no court pending cases. These all will be decided by the FRO. FRO has been empowered to do all these type of the things. Judicature does not have the power to do all these things. On that ground, bail can be granted. And these two grounds are the very crucial point for granting the bail under Section 14 Foreigner Act 1946. अगर आप इन दो चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हैं कि जो एप्लीकेंट है, एक्यूज़ है, जो अरेस्ट हुआ है, वो किसने अरेस्ट किया है? वो एसआई ने किया है. ज़्यादातर इस तरह के केसेस में एसआई ही करते हैं. तो एसआई अगर अरेस्ट करते हैं तो ये अनलॉफुल है, क्योंकि इस तरह के एक्यूज़ को केवल अरेस्ट करने का पावर केवल जो है सब इंस्पेक्टर को होता है. और ये इस केस के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. थर्ड पॉइंट ये है कि होम मिनिस्ट्री ने क्या कहा था? व्हाट वाज दैट वर्डिक्ट ऑफ द होम मिनिस्ट्री? द वर्डिक्ट ऑफ द होम मिनिस्ट्री इज ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन is that the person or that accused is arrested under Section 14 Foreigner Act 1946, so his visa should be given to stay in India because of the flight inconvenience. Because the international flight is not available, so the ministry clearly revealed that they, for staying in India, they should be granted the visa. तो अगर इस पीरियड में बंदा अरेस्ट हुआ है लॉकडाउन में, तो आप इस पॉइंट को भी रख सकते हैं कि इंटरनेशनल फ़्लाइट अवेलेबल नहीं है, इसलिए उसके वीज़ा को जो है मेंटेन किया जाना चाहिए, उसको वीज़ा की फॉर्मेलिटीज़ जो है कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए, उसको दी जानी चाहिए. तो दीज ऑल आर द ग्राउंड्स फ्रेंड्स. ऑन दैट ग्राउंड you can proceed your case and definitely you will be granted the bail. Thank you so much.